Welcome back to the Backyard Homesteader and Priscilla, and today is another Vlogmas episode. My hands are filthy. I've been cleaning out the garden bed, getting ready for my new seedlings. That's in another episode, but today we're going to do a potting up of some Rainbow Chard. I'm going to do the hot pink one, and we're going to put them in 5-gallon buckets and probably give them away as a gift. How nice is that? Come on with me. Let's get her done. Okay, we have 2 of our food grade buckets left. These are the ones that we also potted poinsettias. All right, so let's get the soil in these, and then I picked 2 of the best looking hot pink Rainbow Chard. Let's get her done. Make it my soil. Whew. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can make this easy. Can we make this easy, little girl? Can we make this easy? Huh? Mama's girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Mama's girl. Pretty woo woo. Yeah. Alright. Woo! Alright. The first go in this bag is the toughest because it's so stinking heavy. Woo! I think one bag can do both of these. I think. Woo! A little more. Let me put some in here first. Woo! Alright. I think we're good. Got a little extra. I have a pot over here. I'm going to go stick it in. Hang on. Alrighty. There we go. Oh, Mitzi Boo. Mitzi Boo. Okay, I think I'm going to bring the camera a little closer so you can see what I'm doing over here. Alright. Okay. Nice. Okay. So here's my method. So I try and get this as even as possible. And then I just go like this. Pull it to the side, pull it to the side, pull it to the side. Okay? Then I'm going to take my seedling here and we're going to stick it in there. But I'm going to hold it until I push the sides in. I don't want it to be underneath. So that's what I do. Pull the soil, the new soil up, under, push it down a little bit like that so it's nice and sturdy, and then just even it out. There you go. There's one. Now, I cannot wait. I'm probably gonna do like a, I don't know if I'll do a time lapse, but I'll do pictures at certain intervals. So you can see, once we get these out of this solo cup into these 5-gallon buckets, just how quickly they flourish. Now, Rainbow Chard is a really beautiful plant. Some people eat it. I haven't yet. I do juice them. I'll put them in juices because it's great nutrients. But they're just gorgeous, and they live almost year round. Like, I still have some alive and well from the summer, so it's all good. All right, so the same thing, get this as even as possible, and then pull this side, pull to the side, pull to the side, and the side. All right, there we go. All right. Again, I'm just gonna hold that there, push down, get it solid so that it doesn't, like, I don't want it to sink, basically. So now that we've got that all done, I'll put the soil up under it, push down, nice and solid. All right, even it up. There we go. Now, let's, my hands are too dirty to put a bow around it, but I will video and add to this as soon as I get pretty bows on here so you can see the finished product. And who wouldn't want an amazing gift like that, right? Put it around so that the handle's not in the way. Put a beautiful bow on there. Yeah. And now you have a gift for somebody for Christmas that was, let's see, 1 bag of soil, $7.50. 2 of these were $7 a piece. So that's 14, that's 21, and free seedlings. The bowl, I already had it. So 2 gifts. 21 bucks. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, good morning, everybody. It's days later, and we've got these rainbow charts. I forgot to put bows on them and show you because they make great gifts. They make great gifts. Okay, so let's get our bows on here, and then you can tell me what you think. All right. What Ritzy Roo? This is our rainbow chart. Let's put some ribbons on here. Okay, so I took the tulle. We have a pink, a peach, and then this is some of the ribbon I got from Joann's on sale. So let's tie this bow around here. I think it looks good just like that. I'll do one like that and one with a bow. And I'll show you both and you tell me which one you think looks best. Okay, so I made this one way longer, maybe too long. We'll find out. do you think? I think it's beautiful. Now, of course, let me adjust it just a little bit here. Yep, I love it. Which one do you guys like best? Aww, so pretty. Those hot pink rainbow charts are gonna look so beautiful in here. All right, guys, thanks again for hanging out with me. It's really chilly this morning, but I had to get those done so I could show you. Just be creative. Make some gifts from your heart. That didn't take much at all, very inexpensive, but I would love getting a gift like that. What about you? All right, Merry Vlogmas. I'll see you tomorrow. Mwah.